everyone, and welcome back to the Puffin GT podcast. We are coming to you again from Peterson Elementary School in Kodiak, Alaska.
This week, we took our squid learning even deeper.
We continued researching specific parts of squid anatomy.
And we started working on our squid ebook pages.
Each page will include writing, audio, and illustrations.
Let's dive back into the amazing squid!
I continued researching the squid's eyes. Squid eyes are so advanced that they can detect polarized light. This helps them see things that are invisible to humans. It gives squid an advantage when hunting or hiding.
I discovered more about the squid's arms and sucker cups. Each suction cup can act like a tiny sensor. They can taste and feel at the same time. That means squid can explore their environment just by touching things.
I learned more about the squid's tentacles. The suction cups on the tentacles have tiny tooth-like rings. These help grip prey so it cannot escape. Some squid can even adjust how strong their grip is.
I continued learning about the siphon. Squid can actually change the direction of the siphon. This lets them steer in different directions like a jet. They can even move backwards quickly to escape danger.
I continued researching the gladius, or squid pen. It is made of a flexible material called chitin. This helps the squid stay strong, but still bend and move. It's like having a plastic support beam inside the body.
I learned more about the squid's gill hearts. The gill hearts pump blood only to the gills. The third sends oxygen to the rest of the body. This system helps the squid stay active and swim fast.
I continued studying the squid's brain. Squid have a brain that is protected by a cartilage skull. They can solve problems and even learn from the experience. Some scientists believe squid can remember past events.
I learned more about the squid's mouth and beak. Inside the beak is a tongue-like structure called a radula. It has tiny teeth that grind up food. So squid don't just bite, they shred their food. This week, we also started a new project.
We are creating our own squid ebook. Each student is making a page about their squid part.
Our pages will include facts,
Recorded audio,
and detailed illustrations.
Our research is leading up to something exciting. On Thursday, April 23rd,
Squid Dissection Day! Each student will get their own squid to explore. Mr. Malloy will guide us step by step.
we will finally see all of these parts in real life.
A special thank you to Silver Bay Cannery. They donated the squid for our learning.
This week we learned that squid are even more amazing than we thought. They are powerful, smart,
and full of surprises. Dun 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 dun.
Thanks for listening to the Puffin GT podcast.
Stay curious and keep exploring! Hello everyone! Welcome to the East Elementary Squid Study podcast! We are Kala and Corvin, and we are the students in the East Elementary Gifted and Talented program. Over the next few weeks, we'll be learning all about an amazing ocean animal, the market squid! Squid emoji. Our class is beginning a real scientific investigation about real squid. We will be learning how squid live, how they move through the ocean, and how their bodies work. At the end of the study, we will be doing something very, very exciting. We will be doing a real squid dissection. Our squid will be donated by the Silver Bay Seafood, which helps us support learning about ocean animals. Our dissection will happen on Friday, April 24th. That will be the day we get to explore the insides of a squid, just like real scientists. Before the dissection, we will each become squid experts. Each of us will choose 2 parts of the squid to study. One external part, which means a body part on the outside of squid, and one internal part, which is a body part inside the squid. We will research our squid parts and learn interesting facts. Then we will write our own podcast scripts to share what we learned. We will use many different sources to help us learn about squid.
We will read books from our East Elementary library.
We will also use printed articles that Mr. Malloy found for us.
And we will learn from resources from the Explorers Education Program.
The Explorers Education Program is funded by the Marine Institute, which helps students learn about ocean science.
In future podcast episodes, you will hear us explain the squid parts that we study.
We will share facts about squid arms, tentacles, eyes, fins, and more.
We will also explore the squid's internal anatomy during our dissection.
And we will describe what we see as we explore the inside of a real squid.
Thank you for listening to our Squid Study podcast.
Stay tuned for our next episode when we begin sharing our squid discoveries.
Until next time, let's explore the amazing squid!